Hi everyone, my name is Kristen Furbacher and I'm an independent consultant and executive regional vice president with Arbonne International. And today I'm going to show you how to do a 5-minute makeup face with the Arbonne cosmetics. I love that all of the cosmetics have skincare benefits. And of course, they're vegan, cruelty-free, no parabens, no mineral oil. They're gluten-free, no fake dyes or artificial fragrances. So they're super healthy for your skin. Today we're going to use CC cream, concealer, brow pencil, blush, lip gloss, and mascara. Boom, to get you out the door. So let's start. I've prepped my skin with the RE9 Skincare and Biohydria line, which I absolutely love. And first we have the CC cream. So CC stands for complexion clearing. A little bit goes a long way. And you can just put it on your face and dot it on. You can blend it in with your fingers or with a brush. I like to use a brush. And you can do a light to medium coverage with this product. CC stands for complexion clearing, so you're getting all of those skincare benefits while you're wearing the product. It has primer, highlighter, and pigment all in one. So it's really easy to apply and blend into your skin. Bam! Next, concealer. Gotta have concealer. That's absolutely one of my favorite products. I like to blend in concealer with a sponge. This concealer comes in 7 shades, and it's powerful enough that it can even cover tattoos. So you can get a medium to full coverage with this product. You can get a color match to your skin. Mine is medium warm, or you can get a few shades so that you can contour and highlight. So look how nice and easy that blends. Easy. Okay, brows. Brows are really important because they frame the face. So if you're not filling in your brows, I highly recommend it. I love this Arbonne brow pencil because it has your defining and shaping side, but then it also has a brush so that you can groom and then blend the product in to your brows. So you just want to add a little bit so that you can get the shape that you want from your brows. This is medium, it comes in light, medium, or dark. So you can already see the difference between the brows. So if you have full brows already, you might want to just use the brow cream. It comes in 2 different shades. So this can help hold brows in place and then also give them a little bit of pigment. So depending on your brows, one of these may be better for you. All right, moving right along. So I love these blushes because they are highly pigmented. You can get them in matte or a shimmer tone. I love this color Blossom. So I'm going to start with a little bit because a little bit goes a long way. And blush just makes you look awake. Gives you some beautiful color on your cheeks. Look at that, nice and healthy glow. Mascara, I absolutely love mascara. I curl my lashes, do you guys? I like to curl them a little bit. And then this new Speaks Volumes mascara is amazing because it has conditioning agents in it and it's very volumizing. So since I've been using it over the last few months, I've noticed an improvement in the health and length of my lashes. And also, you can do 1 simple coat for a more natural look, or you can see 2 coats. And when I do 2 coats, you can get a much thicker, fuller lash, which I like. So I am going to do 2 coats. All right, so now we have CC cream, brows, blush, concealer, and mascara. Lastly, a little pop of gloss. The glosses are great because they're super smooth and the fruit extracts in them help to nourish and condition your lips. This is Kala. So bam, 5-minute face, ready to go out the door. Super simple. I like to do a little finishing mist so that our Let It Set spray helps my makeup last longer and blend better. And it feels great. So that's all you guys need. Quick 5-minute face by Arbonne. Thanks for taking a watch.